Potawatomi County Extension Office, we are excited to offer 31 different curriculum checkout kits for families, schools, youth-serving organizations, and 4-H clubs in the West Potawatomi service area. These kits were derived from 3 innovative kindergarten through 3rd grade curriculums of STEMlet to Go, STEMlet to Go Iowa, and Artlet to Go, all published by Iowa State University Extension and Outreach, 4-H, and Youth Development. Each kit includes a STEM or art literacy activity, a book related to the lesson topic, a hands-on STEM or art experience, a physical activity, and a lesson plan to help guide you through the lesson. To request a curriculum kit, visit our website at extension.iastate.edu/West Potawatomi. On our homepage, click on the curriculum checkout link. On this page, you will have access to a description of the 3 curriculum sets our kits are made from, as well as links to descriptions of each lesson. Each lesson has a list of what materials the Extension Office will provide and what materials you will need to provide. The calendar shows a timeline of what kits have been requested and when they are scheduled to return to the office. Once you know when you would like to check out a kit, use this calendar to check if your requested curriculum is available. The kit request form is located at the very bottom of the page. This form will ask you for your contact information, the number of youth that will be participating in each kit, your requested curriculum, and date of pickup and return. You may request up to 3 kits at a time for up to 1 week. You may request additional kits once you have returned your previous reservation. Once you have filled out the kit request form and your request has been approved, you may pick up your curriculum at our office at 1705 McPherson Avenue, Suite 200 in Council Bluffs. Our office hours are Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. and 1:30 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. Head on over to our website and check out your kit today.